Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about the aquatic habitat. Aquatic habitat means the plants or animals live in the water. Beta, aquatic means water. So we can say water habitat or aquatic habitat. Beta, in case of aquatic habitat, we have different regions like ocean, like river, like pond, like sea of normal water. Ocean is sea of saline water, etc. First of all, we will study about the ocean under aquatic habitat. Beta, ocean animal. One ocean animal you already we discussed with you, that is fish. Streamline body and gills. Streamline body for free movement in water with the help of fins, and gills for the respiration or for the breathing of the fish. We have already discussed fish, adaptation of fish that will be surviving aquatic habitat. Now another animal, better some animals which do not have streamline body but they can survive or they can move in the water. Example, octopus and squids. Octopus and squids, these are the animals which are surviving aquatic habitat, but they do not have streamline body. Their body is not streamlined. For example, octopus. Beta, this is octopus. For example, octopus. Octopus have 8 legs, and this is not a streamlined body. Squid also do not have streamlined body. Like animals which do not have streamlined body, they will stay near the seabed, at the bottom of the sea. They will stay near the seabed. When some prey come near them, they capture their prey and eat and can survive like this. But they have gills for the respiration. Through gills, they will breathe by respiring, by inhaling the dissolved oxygen. When octopus, squid or the animal which do not have streamlined body, when they start to move, they convert their body in streamlined structure, like streamlined body, like streamlined body. They convert during movement. Otherwise, they are like this. They are not have streamlined body. But these animals have gills. Beta, these gills help these animals for breathing by using dissolved oxygen. Then some of the animal have streamlined body but they do not have gills. These type of animal also present in ocean, just like dolphin. Better you all see dolphin in TV programs, pictures, etc. And whale like this. Beta, these are the animal. Dolphin and whale are the animal which do not have gills for the respiration or for breathing. They do not have gills, but they have nostrils. These nostrils are also known as blowholes. Beta, these nostrils are present on the head. One on this side, one on other side. These nostrils or blowholes present on the head of the dolphin or whale. Through this, they will respire. They will get air. These animals breathe in air by nostrils or by blowholes. These are present on the head of these animals. And beta, these animals can survive for longer time inside the water without breathing. But when they want to breathe, when oxygen level will decrease in their body, they will come near the surface of water. They will come, otherwise they are deep in the water. But when they want to survive, they will move up near the surface of water and they will breathe in the air. They will breathe in the air. Dolphin you see number of times in the TV programs. Dolphin come on the surface, will respire, jump and move on other side. In water it will come on the surface for respiration, and during respiration it will jump on small distance. And this jump you see in TV programs, TV films, etc. This is all about the ocean. Ocean animals have adaptation streamlined body and gills. Streamlined body help in the free movement in water and gills help in the respiration. But some of the animals do not have streamlined body. Name that animal. Answer is octopus or squids. But some of the animals do not have gills. Their body is streamlined. Example, dolphin and whales. Thank you.